right, the hardness of my head. Now close your eyes, we'll spin around, say hard time you could find, but ain't the way that you want. But it's still alright.
Turkey Camp 2025, baby. Just arrived. Just got to camp. We're dropping my dad's truck in the jumping jack and we're gonna go find some birds because sunsets at 7:40 and it's like, what time is it? 6:53. So that's the plan. Oh my gosh, birds are firing off over here.
Firing off already.
It was like... There they go. That's awesome. There's a lot of birds. A lot are gonna get shot this week.
Late at night, you lay around wondering, counting all the lines. It's so funny now, say times are hard to get this far, but it ain't the way that you want.
One, and we're getting gobbles going. Also, peep the new turkey hat. We were driving around talking to landowners, and then we just hit this one chunk of state land, found a lone tom. He's gobbling up a storm. He's probably gobbled like 30 times. But we saw him fly up to roost, and yeah, hit him with a little yelp. Gobble, gobble, baby. And you can't touch this. This is the zoom in.
Oh.
Right here. So this zooms it in and out. So you zoomed it all the way in. That's what you did.
Let's go.
It's day one. Morning one. Day before opening day. Opening day is tomorrow. So we're getting pretty pumped. Yeah, I mean, I slept in this morning. My dad went out and looked for birds on some chunks that we normally find them. He found a ton of birds this morning. And it's probably about like 8 o'clock. Got a long day of scouting ahead of us. And we're just some door knocking, but yeah, we're pumped. It's gonna be a good opening day tomorrow. And yeah. Hear anything?
No. Heard peacock though. Peacock's out there making noises. It's chilly out here somewhere.
Yeah, it is. Got the hot coffee.
I'll be
I think I need some more hot coffee. It's almost gone.
Start to count his losses, but it's still alright. See you learn a lot out there, how to scorch and burn. Only have to bury your friends, and then you'll find it gets worse. Standing out on a ledge with no way to get down, start praying for wings to grow. Oh baby, just let go.
Gobbler, baby. Gobbler.
I'm gonna mark this right here. I'm gonna mark this as a knob.
Yeah, this would be a good place to. Good calling spot.
We got great elevation so we can call down to these. Each one of these we can call down to. So I'm gonna mark this.
Yeah, it's 9:10 a.m. and we got a nice gobbler going off on state land right over down this ridge. Looks like he's kind of on the main road, but state land bird right there, gobbling it up.
Yeah, I think we got a good one here. We got these pretty hot, so we got one bird locked up right here on state. We got another bird, lone tom down here, locked up on state. We got some birds down on private down here. It's kind of iffy because of the pressure down there, but this is going to be good. Opening day, maybe we get one with the bow.
Yeah, we saw, 4 run right by camp?
Oh yeah, they're running around our tent. It's crazy. So, wish us luck. 2025, here we come.
Driving around back to where we heard a gobble this morning. We were coming in, and then my dad says, "There's 2 birds right there." I look over, see a strutting tom, and he just gobbles right away, just on the side of the road.
20 yards.
Not even.
No, you're not.
Not even that far.
No.
But I don't know. Don't want to spook these ones, so we're just gonna get out of here and go ask for some more permission. Do some door knocking.
Do some door knocking. Put that camera around. Let's show them what we got on the way out. Right there. Come out the window. Three hands to the left, 3 hands.
It ain't alright, keep spinning out ahead. It was cold outside when I hit the ground. Say I could sleep here, forget all the fear. It would take time to grow. Maybe I don't know. 89, if you think about it. Remembering all the times that you pointed out, say, glass is clear, but all this fear starts to leaving a mark. Your idle hands are all that stands from your time in the dark.
Well, there's been a lot of highs and lows.
But it's still alright.
For sure today. One point we think we're going to be killing all the birds and tagging out tomorrow. One point we're just thinking, how are we going to fill some tags? But just got done texting with the landowner, and sounds like we got some permission for some good land. So it's going to be a good one. Stay tuned. Catch you in the next one.